Vivo launches its new affordable Y series phone in Middle East called Vivo Y05. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y05 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T7225 chipset, paired with Mali G52MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y05 sports a 8-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f2.0 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.1 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y05 has been priced in Middle East for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 5,990 Egyptian pounds, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 6,790 Egyptian pounds. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in light platinum and pitch black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y05 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.